Good morning, ladies. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at verbs plus infinitive. We'll focus on like, want, and need. These are common English verbs which are often followed by a noun, noun phrase, or infinitive. For example, verbs plus noun. I need water. I want tea. I like juice. Here we can see the formula is subject plus verb plus noun. Now let's look at verbs plus noun phrase. Example number 1. I need 2 glasses of water. I want green tea. I like fresh apple juice. Looking at the sentences, who can tell me what a noun phrase is? Excellent, very close. So, a noun phrase is a word or a group of words that performs the same grammatical function as a noun. Okay, so to put it simply, it's a group of words which tell you more about a noun. For example, 2 glasses of water, water being the noun. Green tea, tea being the noun. Fresh apple juice, juice being the noun. The formula is exactly the same. We have subject, verb, plus noun phrase, which is in green. Again, subject, verb, noun phrase. Now let's move on to verbs plus infinitives. Sometimes we use infinitives after the verbs like, want, and need. For example, I need to learn English. I want to visit Jeddah. I like to travel. Infinitives are the verb forms. They are to plus base verb. Okay, who can tell me what the infinitive is for this sentence? I need to learn English. Correct. It's need to learn. So the form is subject, verb, plus infinitives. Next, I'd like us to look at some common mistakes. First one. She likes to stay up late. Is this correct or is this wrong? No, this is incorrect. Infinitives don't change, therefore we shouldn't add the S. Okay, sentence number 2. We can see that it's incorrect. Why? Excellent. Same thing, we remove the S. Now the sentence is correct. Sentence number 3. Correct. And why? Because the base form hasn't changed. Now, I want you guys to have a go. Tell me, what follows the verb? Is it a noun, noun phrase, or infinitives? Let's check our answers. Number 1, infinitives. Number 2, yes, infinitives. Number 3, noun. Number 4, noun phrase. Number 5, infinitives. Okay, ladies, have you noticed anything about the sentences? Absolutely. Number 1 and number 3 are in the negative form. When we use pronouns, she or he, in a positive sentence, we add S to the verbs. But notice in sentence number 1, we use she doesn't, which is a negative sentence, we remove the S from the verb. This is very important to note. As for pronouns we, they, and I, we do not add an S to the verbs, whether it's a negative sentence or a positive sentence. Now, open your books on page 18. We're going to do exercise A. For this exercise, you have to underline the noun phrases and circle the infinitives after the verbs like, want, and need. Number 1 has been done for you. I want to be a chef in a restaurant. I like to work with people. I like good food. I am creative. So they circle the infinitive to be, to work, and underlined the noun phrase good food. I'd like you to do the same for number 2 to 4. Here are the answer keys for exercise A. Please pause the video to check your answers. Now let's move on to activity B. Complete each sentence with your own ideas about jobs. Use a noun or a noun phrase and/or an infinitive with each verb. I've answered the first one for you. I like to eat pasta. Here I used infinitive. Now pause the video and complete the rest of the sentences. Here's the answer key for activity B on page 18. Your answers will vary, but the grammar form should be the same. So please pause the video and check for possible answers. Now, don't forget to visit LMS for more practice online on verbs plus infinitives. Thank you and see you next time.